Is plumbing covered under a homeowner's policy? Sylvia Browder here, and here's your quick adjuster tip. So generally, plumbing itself, such as pipes, fixtures, or systems, is not covered under most homeowners' insurance policies if it fails due to wear and tear, deterioration, mechanical damage, or lack of maintenance. However, the resulting water damage caused by a sudden and accidental plumbing failure, such as pipe burst, is often covered depending on the policy and exclusions. Here are some key points for water claims. What's likely covered? If it's sudden and accidental discharge of water, which could be from pipe burst or appliance leak. Resulting damage could be to floors, walls, or personal property caused by the leak. What's likely not covered? The cost to repair or replace the faulty pipe or plumbing system. Damage from gradual leaks or neglect, flooding or sewer backups unless endorsed with additional coverage. Advise policyholders to check their policy for specific exclusions or limitations, especially for water claims. For more videos like this, check out my YouTube channel. That's Be a Claims Adjuster, and my playlist under Policy.